The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of Apple's most unexpected releases. With new leaks emerging, there are some surprising changes that might leave iPhone fans excited, confused, or even frustrated. From camera changes that go against industry trends to a radical new design shift, Apple seems to be making bold decisions, some of which just don't seem to make sense. If you thought the iPhone 16 Pro was a predictable step forward, the iPhone 17 Pro is about to shake things up. Let's break down the craziest leaks that could change the way we see the iPhone lineup forever. A smaller camera sensor, a downgrade, or a secret upgrade. Apple has always pushed for better smartphone photography, but the latest leak suggests a change that could be controversial. Reports indicate that the iPhone 17 Pro might feature a smaller main camera sensor, going from 1/1.28 inches to 1/1.3 inches. At first glance, this sounds like a step backward. The industry standard has been moving towards larger sensors for improved low-light performance and background blur. So, why would Apple make a move that appears to be a downgrade? Here's what might actually be happening. Apple could be using a more advanced sensor technology that compensates for the size reduction. The new sensor might feature better pixel arrangement and improved light absorption, meaning image quality stays the same or even gets better. Apple might be relying more on computational photography instead of just hardware upgrades. This change will likely divide fans. If the new sensor delivers crisper details, better low-light shots, and improved video quality, then Apple will have proven that size isn't everything. But if it falls short, users might feel that the iPhone 17 Pro is a step in the wrong direction. A radical new camera design, but does it even make sense? The iPhone's iconic triple-camera layout might be getting a massive shakeup. According to multiple leaks, Apple is reportedly testing a centralized camera layout, where the lenses are positioned in a horizontal strip instead of the usual triangular format. This design is eerily similar to Google's Pixel camera bar, a shift that could either look futuristic or too similar to the competition. The biggest question is, why change something that already works? Apple's spatial video recording relies on a specific camera alignment to create 3D-like videos for the Vision Pro. A horizontal layout might require major software changes to maintain compatibility. A new layout could indicate larger sensors or new periscope zoom technology, improving long-range photography. It could also be purely aesthetic, making the iPhone 17 Pro stand out from its predecessors. If Apple does go with this bold new design, it will be the biggest change to iPhone cameras in years. However, if they decide to stick with the triangular setup, it might mean the new design is just an early prototype that never makes it to production. iPhone 17 Air, a new model that changes everything? One of the most unexpected leaks is the rumored iPhone 17 Air, a new addition to the lineup that could replace the Plus model. This could be Apple's way of introducing a thinner, lighter iPhone while keeping some Pro features without the premium price tag. Leaked renders suggest that the iPhone 17 Air will also feature a single-lens camera module centered on the back, which hints at a major shift in Apple's camera design philosophy. If true, this could mean that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might also adopt the new centered camera layout. Apple is focusing on a more minimalist approach, simplifying the design across all models. The iPhone 17 Air could be a premium mid-range model, offering a Pro-like experience at a lower cost. If Apple introduces this model, it could create a clearer gap between standard iPhones and the Pro series, making the upgrade decisions easier for consumers. 120 Hz on every iPhone, no more promotion exclusivity. One of the biggest frustrations with Apple's lineup has been the lack of 120 Hz refresh rates on standard iPhone models. Even budget Android devices offer smooth, high-refresh displays, while Apple has locked promotion behind the Pro models until now. Leaks suggest that every iPhone 17 model will finally feature a 120 Hz display, meaning no more 60 Hz limitations on the base models. Why is this a big deal? The standard iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air will feel faster and more fluid, especially for scrolling and gaming. The Pro models will need new exclusive features to justify their higher price, since promotion is no longer a selling point. Apple might introduce always-on display across all models, further blurring the lines between standard and Pro iPhones. This change is long overdue and will make the standard iPhone models far more competitive. However, it could also mean that Apple is preparing for even bigger display innovations for the Pro models, possibly a new generation of LTPO panels with better energy efficiency. Vapor chamber cooling, finally, better heat management. Apple has always struggled with overheating issues, especially with its Pro models under heavy workloads. Now, leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 lineup will introduce vapor chamber cooling, a technology commonly used in gaming smartphones to manage heat more efficiently. This upgrade is crucial because the A19 Pro chip will likely be more powerful and generate more heat. Apple is focusing more on AAA mobile gaming, meaning better cooling is a necessity. Longer video recording sessions, especially in 4K ProRes, require better thermal management to prevent overheating. With vapor chamber cooling, we could see higher sustained performance without the iPhone throttling under pressure. This is great news for gamers, video creators, and power users who push their devices to the limit. iPhone 17 Pro. Is it worth the hype? The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most unique iPhones in years, but some of these leaks raise important questions. Will the camera downgrade actually deliver better results, or is it just a cost-cutting measure? Is the new camera layout a smart design choice, or is Apple just copying Google's Pixel? With 120 Hz coming to all models, will the Pro versions have enough exclusive features to stand out? Will vapor chamber cooling fix Apple's overheating issues, or is it just another incremental change? With all these changes, the iPhone 17 Pro could either be a game changer or a confusing mess. Apple's next move will determine whether these leaks turn into revolutionary upgrades or questionable decisions. Final thoughts. What do you think? The leaks surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro are definitely unexpected, and some of these changes might not make sense, at least not yet. Apple is clearly taking risks with the 2025 iPhone lineup, but whether these risks pay off remains to be seen. What do you think about these leaks? Do you like the new camera layout? Are you excited for 120 Hz on every iPhone? Let's discuss in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Technology Review for more iPhone leaks, news, and in-depth reviews.